Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Auxito LED light, the reverse light for a 2004 Acura TL. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is how the LED light bulbs looks like. Looks pretty good and sturdy. Now let's go in the back. Check out the description. So it's 12 volt. The color is white. And these are the socket sizes that fits, which is a 906, 912, my car, which is a 921, or a W16W, or a T15, and so forth. So this is only to be used for backup reverse light only. And if you look right here, it says service JP at auxito.com. So Japan. This is the number right here, 912. And also, I like a shout out to Auxito Jackson from Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. Thank you for sending me this, and we'll see how the install goes. And hopefully, it's super bright. So if you have tinted rear windows and you can't really see when you reverse, this would be the solution right here. So first thing first, what to do is open the trunk, of course. You do it two ways. You can leave these on, or just twist it to the left and take it off. Now for me, I've done this so many times, so let's pull this down like that. That's right here. See, it comes right down. Now, the reverse light will be right here. So one and two. So this is how the assembly look like on the left side. So all you want to do is grab this, twist it to the left, and it comes right down. And then all you have to do is just pull the bulb out and install the new one. Let's pull the old one off. Place it somewhere so you don't lose it. And we'll grab the new one, the Auxito, and just put it on vertically like this. Now what I like to do is start my car up, put the e-brake on, put the car in reverse to see if it lights up or not before reinstalling it back into assembly. Alright, let's start it up. See how it goes. E-brake up. Let's put the car in reverse. Of course, make sure it doesn't reverse back. Now let's go take a look. Look at that, it lights right up. It actually looks super bright. Pretty sure you're gonna blind pedestrians or drivers behind you. Alright, that looks good. Now let's go and reinstall it back into assembly. So this how the assembly looks like. So you do reverse step, so this goes in, so it's going to go in slightly like this, slanted. Once they go in, turn it clockwise, and then it locks back in like that. See it? Once you loosen it, take it out counterclockwise, lock it in clockwise. Now let's go ahead and take out this side. So it's the same setup. Now let's go ahead and start up the car. see if it lights up. Alright, so it's lighting up, so it works. So now let's put it back into the assembly. Right here. So same thing like the driver's side. Put it in slightly slanted. So these two grooves right here is gonna go into this space right here. So see like that. Once that goes in, then you just turn it clockwise, lock it in. Now let's put the trunk down. That's how the reverse light look like broad daylight. So for us, we're gonna wait until nighttime to see the true color and to see hopefully the visibility and how it looks at night. So right now it's about 2:15 in the afternoon. So I'm gonna reshoot the video at about a little bit after 8 p.m. Alright, see you in a few hours. So this is the updated video. Love how bright the reverse light is. Even my camera is having a hard time picking it up because the light is so bright. I already wiped down the lenses, but you wanna know how bright it is? Look on the floor. Know how bright that is. It looks like friggin' fog lights, HID, but man, that is pretty bright. Look at that. So this is how you install the rear LED reverse light for a 2004 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.